Number 1. Estelle shaded the model below to represent the height of a building that is 4 8/10 meters tall. Which fraction represents the height of this building in meters? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 2. Eric has 158 action figures to put in display cases. Each display case can hold 8 action figures. How many cases does Eric need to hold all of his action figures? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 3. Angle MLN has a measure of 41 degrees. Angle NLP is a right angle. What is the measure of angle MLP? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 4. The list shows the lengths of 12 strings in inches. Which plot represents the data in the list? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 5. A number sentence is shown below. Blank times 10 equals blank. Which table shows numbers that make the number sentence true? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 6. The fraction 3/8 can be represented by this expression. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus blank. Which fraction belongs in the blank to complete the expression? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 7. A basketball team plays 82 games each year. How many games will the team play in 25 years? Pause the video now to work this problem. Number 8. Use the ruler provided to measure the length and width of each rectangle to the nearest centimeter. What is the difference between the perimeters of these rectangles in centimeters? 3 centimeters because 6 minus 3 equals 3. 2 centimeters because 8 minus 6 equals 2. 4 centimeters because 16 minus 12 equals 4. Or 1 centimeter because 9 minus 8 equals 1. Pause this video now to work this problem. Number 9. The table below shows the length of the railway network in each of 5 countries. Railway networks, country, length of railway, meters. Brazil, France, Italy, Japan, South Africa. Which list shows these countries in order from shortest to longest railway network? A. France, Brazil, Japan, Italy, South Africa. B. South Africa, Italy, Japan, Brazil, France. C. France, South Africa, Italy, Japan, Brazil. Or D. South Africa, Italy, Japan, France, Brazil. Pause this video now to work this problem. Number 10. A factory makes 400 refrigerators every day. The factory makes 125 more stoves per day than refrigerators. Which equation can be used to find X, the total number of refrigerators and stoves the factory makes in one day? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 11. Which figure appears to have exactly one line of symmetry? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 12. Yasmin made waffles for her family. 4/7 of the waffles were blueberry. 1/7 of the waffles were chocolate chip. The rest of the waffles did not have blueberries or chocolate chips. What fraction of the waffles did not have blueberries or chocolate chips? 5/7 because 4/7 plus 1/7 equals 5/7. 12/7 because 4/7 plus 1/7 equals 5/7. And 7/7 plus 5/7 equals 12/7. H. 3/7 because 4/7 minus 1/7 equals 3/7. Or J. 2/7 because 4/7 plus 1/7 equals 5/7 and 7/7 minus 5/7 equals 2/7. Pause this video now to work this problem. Number 13. The frequency table shows the favorite school lunches of some students. The table is missing the information for the number of students who chose a hamburger. Favorite school lunches. Lunch choice, pizza, hamburger, or chicken. The tally, frequency. The number of students who chose a hamburger is half the number of students who chose pizza. How many students chose a hamburger or chicken as their favorite school lunch? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Pause the video now to work this problem. Number 14. Lisa drew a figure on the front of her notebook that has two obtuse angles. Which figure could be the one Lisa drew? A rectangle, an obtuse triangle, a parallelogram, or a right triangle? Pause this video now to work the problem. Number 15. The list shows the number of trees Isaiah planted in 3 years. He planted 521 trees in the first year. He planted 387 trees in the second year. He planted 438 trees in the third year. Isaiah wants to plant a total of 2,000 trees. How many more trees does Isaiah need to plant? Pause this video now to work out this problem. Number 16. Which statement about the number 726,483 and 1900 is true? The digit 9 has a value of 9 times 100. The digit 4 has a value of 4 times 100. The digit 8 has a value of 8 times 1/10. Or the digit 2 has a value of 2 times 10. Pause this video now to work this problem. Number 17. Sebastian had a rectangular piece of paper that was 90 millimeters long and 50 millimeters wide. He cut the paper in half. What's the area of each half of the paper in square millimeters? Pause this video now to work the problem. Number 18. Which comparison is true? Pause this video now to work out this problem. Number 19. A geyser is an underground hot spring that shoots water and steam into the air. At Yellowstone National Park, there is a geyser that erupts once every 44 to 125 minutes. If the geyser erupted one day at 1:04 p.m., at which time could the geyser erupt next? Pause this video now to work the problem. Number 20. Which triangle appears to be an acute triangle? Pause this video now to work the problem. Number 21. Mark had 45 football cards. Josh had twice as many football cards as Mark. Josh then bought 5 more football cards. Which equation can be used to find F, the number of football cards Josh has now? Pause this video now to work the problem. Number 22. Which equation shows an equivalent decimal and fraction? Pause this video now to work the problem. Number 23. What is the measure of angle XYZ to the nearest degree? Pause the video now to work the problem. Number 24. A number pattern begins with the values shown: 8, 16, 24, 32. Which table correctly represents the relationship between the position of the number in the pattern and the value of that number? Position, numerical expression, value. Pause this video now to work this problem. This video is going to stop here. Check the next video for the rest of the problems.